Hi guys, welcome back to a new video in which we'll learn English vocabulary for MDCAT or ECAT. English vocabulary has 4 marks in MDCAT, so you don't have need to learn whole book for it. So here we have collected some most famous words. After learn that, you will definitely attain full marks in English vocabulary. Here we will learn a words with its meaning, synonym, antonym, and also use it in sentence. So the only thing you have to do is to make sentences of synonyms and antonyms of word. Now let's start the video, but before that, like, comment and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe so that we stay connected. So here is the first word, which is appalling, which means horrific. Its similar words are deplorable, vile, dire, nightmarish, odious, loathsome, harrowing. We can also use these words in place of appalling. Its opposite words are beautiful, calming, comforting, encouraging. If we use it in sentence, it will be like, I find his total lack of concern for animals to be appalling. The second word we have is astounded. We use it when we are amazed. Its synonyms are dazed, baffled, flabbergasted, nonplus, dumbfound, stupefy, which also have same meaning. Its antonyms are calm, clear, clarify, up, dull, bore, explain, expect, enlighten. Its sentence will be as he was mostly absent, everyone was astounded by his result. Third word is apparently, mean the things we can see. Its synonyms are allegedly, supposedly, reputedly, outwardly, ostensibly, seemingly, and antonyms are improbably, unlikely, questionably, uncertain, dubiously, and it will use in sentence as apparently, it seems that my computer password has changed. Fourth word is attached, to mean fondness, and its synonyms are joint, tender towards, affectionate towards, fastened, and antonyms are avoid, differ, disagree, disassociate, refuse, disapprove, oppose, and the use in sentence is due to joint family system, they all attached to each other. And the next word is appraised, which mean assess of value, and its synonyms are assess, rate, judge, gauge, evaluate, estimate, and antonyms are ignore, neglect. And sentence is the mechanics thoroughly appraised the damaged car. Hope you are also making sentences with me. Next we have a last word, mean pity. Its synonyms are used to express grief, alack, woe, concern, and antonyms are as luck would have it, luckily, fortunately, fortuitously, and sentence is alas, they lost the match. Now we have abruptly word, mean suddenly. Synonyms are all of sudden, precipitously, unexpected, and antonyms are polite, friendly, expansive, and sentence is everyone was confused as to why show was abruptly cancelled. Next word is accentuated, mean prominent. Its similar words are underline, highlight, accent, spotlight, feature, and antonyms are masked. Use in sentence is his jacket accentuated his paunch. Next is anxiety's word, which is used for nervousness. Its synonyms are worry, concern, consternation, apprehension, and antonyms are calmness, serenity. Its use in sentence like, he felt a surge of anxiety. Next is boon, and its meaning is beneficial, things which give us benefit. The similar words we use for it are blessing, godsend, good thing, help, benefit, advantage, aid, bonus, and its opposite words are curse, disadvantage. Sentence is the route will be a boon to many travelers. Next word is bewilderment, and its meaning is confused when we are not sure for something. Its synonyms are confusion, bafflement, daze, discombobulation, and antonyms are clarity, expectation. Its sentence is like, they looked at him in bewilderment. Next is briskly, and its meaning is energetic way. Synonyms are nimby, rapidly, promptly, vigorously, brusquely, and antonyms are slowly, listlessly, sluggishly. Sentence for this word is, she walked briskly into the building. Now we have bead word, and its meaning is a small piece of glass, a stone like diamond. Its synonyms are oval, sphere, ovoid, adorn, furnish, globule, spherule. These are all shaped, name, and use for decoration works. Its antonyms are untidy, chaotic. Sentences, he had a long strings of beads. Next is brimming, means be full to the point of overflowing. Its synonyms are full, packed, overfull, teeming, bursting, and antonyms are empty, unfilled, and sentence is my eyes brimmed with tears. Next is baffling. Its meaning is perplexing matter, which is full of confusion. Its synonyms are puzzling, confusing, bewildering, and opposite words are clear, fathomable, Comprehensible sentence is the crime is a baffling mystery for the police. Before moving to next, don't forget to subscribe and paste to our sentences and comment box. And last one of this episode is bashful, and its meaning is shy, and similar words are reserved: coy, reticent, shrinking, demure, diffident, retiring, and opposite words are bold, aggressive, unshy, forward, unabashed, confident. Sentence with this word is: she is bashful when it comes to ask questions. And that's all for today. Now we will meet in a new video with new words, and if you need PDF of all vocabulary, then comment me, I will provide it to you in new video. So stay blessed and stay connected for more videos, but for that you have to subscribe the channel to do it right now, and thanks for watching.